In FIFA 09, Ultimate Team began as a straightforward piece of downloadable content. It has since evolved into a strategic simulation engine where roster construction relies on thousands of unique digital assets. Success depends on identifying the distinct typologies and functional roles of these specialized items. Properly managing these classifications governs matchday tactics and drives real-time speculative trading. To compete at the highest level, a manager must first navigate the intricate data schema of the card ecosystem. The database organizes its assets into 4 primary categories that dictate squad utility: club items, consumables, staff items, and player items. Club items set the visual identity of a squad, allowing for customization of the architectural layout and seat coloring of a virtual home ground. Consumables serve as single-use modifiers to restore player fitness or extend active match contracts. Staff items center on managers, who provide essential league and nationality modifiers that contribute to the overall synergy of the roster. Player items are split into 3 quality tiers based on their overall rating: bronze from 47 to 64, silver up to 74, and gold at 75 or higher. Tactical movement is driven by the FCIQ engine, where a card's value is determined by role familiarity. Players scale from a base level of competence to role plus, and eventually the elite role double plus, which dictates near-flawless on-pitch positioning. While high-rated gold cards with elite roles provide a strong foundation, the roster requires structural synergy to withstand competitive pressure. Tactical cohesion is measured through the squad chemistry system, which operates on a global scale from 0 to 33 points. Under standard linking, cards earn up to 3 chemistry points when club, league, or national affiliations overlap with roster members. But elite tribute cards manipulate these mechanics. A foot icon locks at full chemistry, projecting a link point to every active league in the lineup. Tribute heroes also guarantee perfect personal chemistry, while providing double link contributions to their assigned league. Successfully navigating this chemistry matrix allows a manager to maximize on-pitch attributes, providing the statistical advantage needed for elite-tier play. Beyond the base tiers, the ecosystem is populated by promotional special items. This includes static performance-based cards like Team of the Week and Team of the Season, which honor real-world achievements with permanent stat boosts. These contrast with dynamic concept cards, which fluctuate in real time based on live match telemetry. Road to the final items upgrade automatically as real-world clubs succeed, gaining overall rating points and new playstyles by advancing through the tournament knockout stages. Fantasy FC items rely on even more granular individual metrics. These cards trigger boosts based on clean sheets, goals, or disciplinary records over a specific 4-match window. Because digital roster value is tied closely to weekend fixture results, users must actively track real-world performance as if they were professional scouts. The evolutions mechanic allows managers to systematically upgrade specific items through gameplay, shifting the squad-building experience toward a personalized player development system. Progression is earned by completing match objectives or by submitting a card to a training camp slot, which locks the item out of selection for a set duration while it receives passive boosts. To maintain balance, developers use a stat limits formula. This creates an absolute ceiling for upgrades, ensuring that the final attribute never exceeds a predetermined limit, regardless of the size of the boost. Tools like the PlayStyle Lab and evolution resets allow for tactical experimentation, giving players the ability to roll back changes and even restore a card's tradable market status. This progression system allows managers to forge bespoke assets, reducing the reliance on expensive pack acquisitions. The interaction between dynamic telemetry cards, chemistry requirements, and limited-time challenges creates a highly volatile, user-run digital market. Frequent squad-building challenges drive up the cost of low-tier cards for use as fodder, while new promotional releases can cause the value of older cards to drop as the community chases the newest meta. Building a roster in this environment requires a manager to function simultaneously as a tactical coach, a live data scout, and a financial market trader.